Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a workspace member on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use ClickUp with your team, and you want to go ahead and remove a workspace member so they no longer have access to your ClickUp board. How do you actually go ahead and remove them? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log up into our ClickUp account. Then in the upper right-hand corner, let's click on our profile name, then click on settings. And then from here, you want to click on people on the left-hand side. So there's multiple ways you could actually go ahead about doing this. You can right-click or click on the person's name and then click on remove. Or you can go into teams. And if you have a team here, you could actually remove them from here as well. But by usually clicking on the people's tab on the left-hand side, you should be able to manage people and remove people if you are an admin on this page here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove members from a workspace on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.